Yeah.
Alright, lads! Fucking on, mate! Do you see what's on the telly? You know what you're fucking watching.
Oh, alright, fair enough. Suppose you don't want to go birding tonight then, eh?
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah? Ah, come on!
Yeah, you know I'm always keen for a good birding, you know?
Sometimes I like it when they even shit on my head. Oh, messy look. No, I'm only joking! Yeah! But she loves it! She loves it! Come on! Let's go! Oi! Harris!
Yeah.
Come on, man!
All right.
What are you doing? Get up there, mate! You old spacker monkey!
No, so then I'm like, don't say it like that. Say it like this, mate. Gotta be all quiet like with them. Gotta be quiet so you don't scare them off. On my bird.
Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. Bird. She loves it!
Right, yeah, hey, birds were keen out there tonight, eh, boys?
I reckon there isn't one bird on this fucking planet I wouldn't go for.
Oh,
you know what
so
I mean?
many different kinds of birds. I love them all. Fucking love them all.
All right, one more in honour of all the glorious birds, right?
Yeah.
Birds. Bird. 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 Bird.
She loves it!
Yeah, man! You know she loves it!
Or what if she doesn't love it?
I'm sorry, Harris. Didn't quite catch that, mate.
I said, what if she doesn't love it?
What the fuck did you just say?
What if she doesn't love it?
Oh my shit!
fucking
God save the queen! What? She has to love it, alright?
Absolutely,
without question. She has to love it.
What are you, some idiot?
She loves it. She loves it.
She loves it? She loves it?
She loves it!
No, I know she loves it, but like, what, she doesn't love it.
I don't understand.
No. She loves it.
Yeah.
She loves it. Yeah, I mean, she does, right?
Without question, Harris. What are you saying right now?
I think what I'm saying is she doesn't love it.
No. Lads, you don't. Stop it. Tommy, look at me. She loves it. Johnny, relax.
Wait, what are you saying? She doesn't love it. That's what I'm saying. I don't understand it. He misspoke. I'm sorry, lads. I gotta leave.
Come on, Johnny!
Right. Are you happy, Harris? Johnny's gone and run off.
I'm sorry, mate, I really am.
Okay. If you're so smart, how do you know she doesn't love it?
Well, like, you know how when we go out birding, right? And the bird always flies straight away.
And?
Well, if she loved it, why wouldn't she just stay?
You know, that's not a bad point.
What?
Well, I'm saying, like, if I didn't like something, I wouldn't stick around for it. It's kind of common sense, really.
Oh, common sense, is it? Common sense, right.
It is, really.
Yeah.
If you two want to just agree that she doesn't love it, fine by me. More birds for me, and you puffs can shove off!
It's 2016, mate.
Oh, no, it's 2016!
God, he's fucking touchy, isn't he?
Johnny.
She doesn't love it!
Oh.